fundamentally few understanding. Please listen. You are made of the same material in which Sadashiva is made. In Sanskrit, the word dhatu is used. Mahadeva says in Mrigendra Agama, as my own extension, when I decided to become many, to celebrate my existence, I manifested whatever is experienced as reality. Let me repeat. When he decided, I am using the word he so you don't feel offended, but it's me, I. At least when I am teaching you this truth, I am simply radiating, only then I can put me in you. The me in me is only sitting as me in you. This two only is talking to each other. Understand, I can only talk to me and give my understanding. I cannot talk to anybody else and give my understanding. So the me resides in this as me, is residing in all of that as me, so that me, through this me, talking to me. When I say I am him, if you don't offended, only then you will have the confidence to say you are he. You feeling offended when I say I am him is nothing but your guilt and deep SDHD that you are not him. Listen, guts to say I am him. Even when you have not experienced, it is not wrong. Sometimes people come and tell, how can I say I am Sadashiva? Is it not lie? Oh, as if you don't tell any lies. Tell a lie which is going to lead you to higher consciousness than telling lies which is leading you to lower consciousness. Mahadeva is very clear. Even when you are struggling to realize his existence as you, he is you. Even when you are struggling with your self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial, to realize you are Sadashiva, even during that period, you are Sadashiva. So you do not need to feel shy to tell yourself and others, you are made out of the same material wax Sadashiva is made. Getting offended is nothing but you so strongly believe you cannot become Sadashiva. Because you cannot become, I also can't become. Because I have become, I strongly believe you can become. Because you can't become, you strongly believe I have not become. This is what is the whole fight going on.
Residing in all of that as me, so that me, through this me, talking to me.
What is me? Me is me. You for yourself is me. So me is talking to me in me. Understand? So me watching me on a me wearing a red is a red me.
I will not be cowed down by any of the continuous persistent attack. I will continue to reveal the Paramashiva Jnana and Paramashiva Vijnana to the world. The earlier statement I made based on me is Purusha, masculine version of explaining Advaita. Now, what I am talking is Prakriti, feminine version of Advaita. Understand? The you in you, when it starts seeking the real you manifest as Guru in me. And when you become deeply devoted, you manifest the cosmic Guru, Paramashiva in me. Listen. So, you in you only manifests as Guru in me and as Paramashiva in me. So, you seeking the real you manifests as the real you in me and reaches out to you and makes you experience the real you. Listen, the essence of today's satsang is Parashakti version of Suddhadvaitam, Prakriti version of Suddhadvaitam. You in you seeks the cosmic you and makes the cosmic you manifest through me for the you in you. Either the Redmi abuses me or they change their brand now from today from Redmi into RedU, I don't care. People who made fun of the me version, the great gift to them now is you version. Okay, you made fun of the me version of Advaita. Now what are you going to do with the you version of the Advaita?